Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have Accsoon CineEye 2 video transmitter for review. The CineEye 2 enables you to send a full HD signal from your camera to your tablet or mobile device. Videographers, their crew, as well as clients, you can use their tablet or phone to monitoring what's being captured. The CineEye 2 has an ultra-compact pocket-sized design that weighs only 200 grams. The Accsoon CineEye 2 is a second-generation transmitter and simultaneously transmits up to a Full HD 60 fps video signal from an HDMI source to 4 iOS Android mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets, treating them as video receivers and allowing you to use them as a real-time video monitors. Improvements include a longer transmission distance of 150 meters, a low latency of less than 60 ms, power via an NP series battery, and the addition of an HDMI loop output to add an additional monitor that can be daisy chained to other monitors. The CineEye 2 will automatically find a clean channel before the transmission starts, and as the distance increases will automatically lower the streaming bitrate to maintain real-time monitoring. CineEye also allows you to manually select from 25 GHz transmission channels. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal is more resistant to interferences than standard Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi reliability will be optimal. Accsoon Go app supports both Android and iOS platforms. With high image quality, robust connection, smooth playback, now you can turn your mobile device into true wireless productivity. The transmitter can send to up to 4 devices at the same time, and there is no limit to the combination of receivers, no matter if it's iPhones, iPads, an Android device, or even freely mix and match. You can get CineEye video stream on all of them. The Accsoon Go app is the best monitoring app in its class, supports both Android and iOS, comes with all the popular monitoring features like audio and video recording, false color, focus picking, histogram, waveform, loading 3D LUTs and CDLS, zebra, custom anamorphic ratio, custom ratio guides. With the mobile device, you can record the audio and video sent from the CineEye 2 and you can quickly play back and check your work. In that way you can speed up your working flow and save your time. Also, you can share your work to team members and customers if they are not on the field. If you are a vlogger, YouTuber, and self-media, then you can use the third parties app to quickly clip your video and then publish it to every platform you want. Now, the latest Accsoon Go app even supports live stream to YouTube and other platforms wirelessly. You can do professional live stream with a professional camera anytime and anywhere. The transmitter supports HDMI loop out. You connect it to other devices like monitors, recorders and live stream equipment, giving you maximum freedom. CineEye 2 supports firmware updates. Now sophisticated process needed. You can directly update your transmitter and receiver on the app. The CineEye 2 lets you take control of your power situation. By transition to a battery cradle, you can now supply the CineEye 2 with power from any Sony style NP battery. Keep extra batteries on hand to allow all-day shooting or plug into ground power via the built-in DC input. By allowing the user to use their own power source, the CineEye 2 can run however long the shoot requires. The CineEye 2 can easily be mounted on your camera or other video device using its 11420 mounting thread. With its height and features and budget price, the Accsoon CineEye 2 will grow to be an essential part of any videographer's kit. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. Bye!